Do you think that the decline of hegemonic power and unipolarity is the direct result of the Marshall Plan? I think this is a good question, and it really got me thinking, especially after working on the midterm. I think regardless of the United States' intention behind the Marshall Plan, there are a number of lenses through which we can look at the European Recovery Plan or the Marshall Plan. I think the most common view is through the liberal lens that sees the Marshall Plan as a way to provide economic stability and help Western European countries improve the lives of their people after the war. The plan could also be seen as a way to promote international liberalism and the United Nations that was formed just 3 years earlier. I think this way of looking at the Marshall Plan would suggest that it did lead to the decline of unipolarity in the world. However, the plan could also be seen by Marxists as a way to stop the spread of communism and aid the U.S. international trade and fuel its post-war economic boom. A realist view of this plan could see the U.S. as an aggressor, attempting to establish both economic and military interests in these countries. After World War II, the U.S. established a number of military bases in these countries that could be used to launch attacks and to provide a buffer to protect the U.S. It could be said that the U.S. was indeed attempting to set up a different kind of hegemony with economic and military power.